Hi, welcome to CrochetJewel Channel. I'm going to share with you how to make this crochet granny square bucket hat. I made it for an adult with a G hook. You can go up or down on the hook size for your size. This was done with medium worsted yarn. The pattern is down below, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And if this is too fast, you can place it in slow motion. There's a link on how to do that below in the description, and there's a beginners playlist for beginners as well down there in the description. Okay, so let's get started. If this is your first time doing the magic ring, there is a link on how to do that below. I wrap it around my fingers, take my hook, go under, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through, creating 3 chains. It's going to look like this. I'm going to create 2 double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Create 1 more. And then you're going to chain 2, then work 3 double crochet. Chain 2, 3 double crochet again, chain 2 again, 3 more double crochet. Then chain 2, take your tail, pull it closed, slip stitch into the chain 3, slip stitch into the next 2 stitches. It's going to look like this, a square. I'm going to color change by pulling my yarn through. I like to do it right before I go into the chain space. I feel like it blends better. Then I'm going to yarn over, pull my yarn through with a slip stitch, and then I'm going to chain 3, work 2 double crochet, then do a chain 2, then work 3 double crochet in the same chain space, chain 1. In this chain space, I'm going to do 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Chain 2, 3 double crochet. Chain 1. Now you're going to repeat 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Make sure to do a chain 1. Repeat it right here in this chain space until you get back to the beginning. Now you're going to chain 1, go into the chain 3, and slip stitch into the next 2 stitches, and then I'm going to add the cream yarn, just pulling it through, and then I'm going to slip stitch into the chain space and just repeat chain 3, 2 double crochet, chain 2, work 3 double crochet, chain 1, work 3 double crochet in this chain space, chain 1, work 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 1, and then work 3 double crochet, chain 1, and then just repeat 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Do that until you get to the beginning. Now I'm going to chain 1, substitch into the chain 3. I'm going to do 2 more rounds, one with pink, one with this purple blue, and it's all done the same way, it just gets bigger. So I'm going to add the pink in pretty much the same way as I did the other colors, just loop it through and then substitch into the chain space, chain 3, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and then chain 1, and then work 3 double crochet in the space, chain 1, then work 3 double crochet in the space, and this will make the granny square get bigger. Then chain 1, and in the space you're just going to repeat with 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, then chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1. Repeat that until you get all the way around back to the beginning. It's just getting bigger with these chain spaces with 3 double crochet. This is just for the pink, and then we'll do the purple blue here. Okay, now you're going to chain 1 and substitch into the chain 3, substitch into the next 2 stitches. Now you're going to add your new color. This is all done the same way. You're going to substitch into the chain space, create your chain 3 again. You're going to work your 2 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and then chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. In this corner you're going to do 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Repeat this all the way around until you get back to the beginning. To add a single crochet border, I'm going to pull my yarn through for a color change, slip stitch into the space, and then chain 1 and then single crochet twice. Insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, chain 2, single crochet twice again in the same space, and then each stitch gets a single crochet. So single crochet in these 3 stitches, single crochet once in the space, then single crochet in the next stitches, single crochet in the space. Okay, so you're going to go all the way down here. You're going to work 2 single crochet, chain 2, 2 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and then in the space, and then 3, and then just repeat it. It's just single crochets all the way around until you get back to the beginning. So you're at the end here and you're just going to slip stitch to finish. And then you can yarn over, pull through. You need to take your yarn needle and weave in all of these ends. You need to make 5 of these. And then cut this yarn and weave in the rest of your yarn pieces. Okay, so you need to make 5 of these and just crochet with a slip stitch across on each one. So you're going to slip stitch across this way, this way, this way, and this way, and then come down and meet these ends together. So to start it, it's going to look like this. This is the top of the hat. These are the side panels. So I'll just take these edges, face them right side out, and just go right into each stitch and slip stitch. Go into the stitch and then into the next stitch and just slip stitch. You'll do that across here. Keep slip stitching in each stitch across, and then take your next square, slip stitch across here, here, and here. Then you'll take the sides together and do the same thing so they connect. I connected these two. I'm going to go ahead and connect these two together with my yarn so you don't have to fasten off, and just slip stitch across just like the other side. Meet your stitches together. Okay, so you'll do that and go all the way to the end, and then you'll take your other square and continue on across here too. So I slip stitched across here, and then here, and then here, and now we're here. I'm going to connect this last square and make sure they're all facing right side up, because this will be the outside of your hat. And then I'm going to slip stitch across here to finish, and then we can do the sides next. Okay, so just do that until you get to the end here. Now we're going to take these sides together and you're going to do the same thing. Just connect your stitches together and then slip stitch. Okay, so you're going to go down here and then fasten off, and then you'll do the same thing on each of the ends, connecting them to create the hat. Now you're just going to yarn over and pull through. You'll have to weave in your ends, and then you'll just do the same thing over here. You just take your ends together, slip knot onto your hook for each of these sides to finish. You'll have 2 more sides to do, slip stitch, and then connect the side, make sure your stitches match, and slip stitch. And you'll do the same thing. You're going to have to weave your ends in here, go all the way down, fasten off, and then do the same thing for these 2 sides and your other sides to create the hat. Okay, so I made sure I did all of the sides to create this hat. Now I'm going to do the brim. So I'm going to go back into these stitches and I'm working a single crochet around. So each stitch gets a single crochet. So insert the hook and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. It's going to look like this. Work this all the way around until you get back to this beginning. Okay, now you're going to slip stitch and then chain 2, and then for 2 rounds you're going to work a double crochet in each stitch. It's going to look like this. You'll come back around. I'll show you how to slip stitch and you'll do another round of double crochet. Now I'm going to slip stitch into the chain 2. And then chain 2. This is all repeat. Just work a double crochet in each stitch around until you get back to the beginning. Now I'm going to slip stitch and then chain 2. In the next stitch, work 2 double crochet increase. Double crochet in the next. 2 double crochet in the next. This is an increase. And then double crochet in the next. So that's the repeated pattern. It's going to be 2, 1, 2, 1 all the way around until you get back to the beginning. Okay, you're going to slip stitch into the chain 2 and then chain 2. Then work just 1 double crochet around in each stitch, no increases. Just work this all the way around until you get back to the beginning. Okay, slip stitch again into the chain 2. If you want to stop here, you can. I'm going to do a double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And then an increase of 2. And then a double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And then an increase of 2, and that is the pattern. So you're going to have 1, 1, and then 2, repeat until you get back to the beginning. So you can slip stitch in the last stitch here and just yarn over and pull through. Make sure you take your yarn needle and weave in all of your ends. You can keep making this bigger if you want to. I really hope you enjoyed this crochet granny square bucket hat. The pattern is down below. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you for watching.